Hello, welcome back, everybody, to Fake It to Make It. Or hi, if you're new, I'm Katie. Today we have some goodies. I did share this on Instagram already. This is the new Happy Planner Folio. I love that it comes in this like nice little box. It says happiness starts here. This is so good. So let's get right into it. This actually releases on Wednesday, July 15th, which is also my daughter's birthday. If you do not follow me on Instagram, this comes in 3 colors. I got the bright neutral option. I am an affiliate with them. This was gifted to me. They sent this to me. I did not choose my color. They sent this with this. Honestly, when I saw the colors, this was the color I wanted. So I was very excited because if you guys have been following along, like all my little things I've been making, like I'm very much into my neon era right now. Like I had to go get a neon tape dispenser like a crazy person. Anyway, there are 3 different covers. There is a pink with embossed polka dots there, and then there's like an espresso brown, I think, with a lavender string. So super cute. This is what the edge looks like. So you could definitely hang some charms, which I will be doing. I went to the store yesterday and got some goodies, so be on the lookout for some of that, how I dress this up, and then I'm going to put some charms on here for sure. This is vegan leather. This says plan a happy life. You have a nice little pen loop here, and I like that it's like a fatter pen loop because some of the journals and planners I have, you get a pen loop, but it's so skinny, like I can barely get my darn pen in there. Have you guys ever had that issue? So vegan leather. You get these little pockets. So this is like a pocket. It's opened at the top. Oh yeah, I was wondering where this went. I forgot I put this in here for when I was showing on Instagram. So you have a little zipper pocket to put stickers or receipts, money, cards, because I think this would be great for on the go. It comes with some stickers. So you get some kind of monthly stickers to date things, some more functional stickers, and then these you can use as tabs on the month. And I lost one of my little sunny angels over here, which is nice. You get some stickers, and then this is also the perfect size for like any junk journaling stickers or anything like that. So like here's a sticker sheet. You can easily fit that in there to kind of take on the go with you. You could create like a little collage here, so you see it as soon as there's so many things you could do with this. So I'm really excited to get into this and play with it a little bit more. So definitely watch for those videos coming. And then you have, like I said, this zipper pocket. So this is like an all-in-one thing. Then you have another little folder, again, perfect for putting sticker sheets, pieces of paper, scrapbook paper, what have you. And so you have 4 little folders. And I've seen 2 people doing some fun things with these and customizing. So I may be doing a little something with that as well, but that will be a future video because I really want to have fun with this. I'm very excited because I don't have an A5 folio like this, so I was really excited to get this. And then we get into the planner. So Happy Planner paper feels decent, and it's an undated, so you're going to get your monthly. You have the dot grid here, you have some dot lines here, so you're going to get 1 month. And then what I like about this, because for me personally on the go, I really just need a monthly view. And so this is perfect because then you have a to-do list for the month and a graph paper that you can jot down all the plans, all the things if you need extra notes. This month's intentions focus, and you can circle the month up there, which I kind of like. And this says notes, thoughts, feelings, happy little things. So I think that is super functional. I'm very excited to use that. Oh, cool. And then you get that. And then currently reading, loving, planning, going, creating, feeling, listening, dreaming. Fun. and then you get another month. So you get 2 sides and then the currently. And I'm assuming, so what is that? 3, 4, let's count here. I'm pretty sure it's 12 months. Oh, and then you get some note paper in the back. Okay, I see you, Happy Planner. So 1, 2, 3, it has to be a full year. So you get that, and then you get this journal, which is dot grid A5 size, and this is definitely going to be some kind of creative place for me, whether it's a junk journal or something else. I have an idea, so I'll definitely be doing a video, like I said, kind of setting all this up, and then you have your binder string back there. So I mean, and the nice thing about this is you could pull this out if you don't want a planner. You could pull this out and put another A5 notebook in here, which is really nice. And the inside string is lavender, which I think is so cute. So I love that there's some organization with this, especially for me if I'm going to take this on the go in order to like tuck some things in, stickers, little pieces of paper, receipts, whatever. And like this, I have this in my citrine planner, and it's nice because you can put like cash, gift cards, you know, if you really are using this as an on the go and you don't want to take a wallet, you could throw like your license and some cards in there. So I really am digging this. I love that they went with this fun neon color. I cannot wait to like just jazz it up a little bit and like kind of make it my own. Like, oh my gosh, how cute is that already? And this I made actually for a different planner, but I mean, you guys, right? With this neon string, I cannot wait to just like add some charms to the side. And I love because you have two places here that you can add charms. So I'm super stoked about this. I cannot wait to kind of get this organized. So let me just kind of do a quick, so I definitely think I'm going to use the planner portion as just a brain dump for the month, everything that we have going on, like as a family, for work, kids, appointments, all the things, just so when I'm out and about, I easily have like at one quick glance, I know what's going on. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I do like that, like I have a pretty decent spot for the month, and then I'm going to kind of use this just as it is, as a to-do list. So if there's things I need to do during the month, that I can put them on the list. This might be like an overflow to-do list. I don't know until I actually start using it what I'm going to use this little sheet of paper for, but I have a feeling it may, you know, either be an extension of the to-do list or maybe just kind of like a brain dump if I have like an idea of a video I want to do, or I want to like, oh, I saw this gift that I thought might be a good Christmas gift, but I'm not ready to buy it yet. Like I might use this sheet for more of that. And then I do like that there's a currently section, so I think this is really cool. So I'm gonna fill this out because I think that's nice to like have to go back and look at like what were you doing this month. So I think that that's kind of fun. And then I might use this for like a little bit of gratitude down here, just like kind of what I was thinking for the month. Is kind of what I'm thinking right now. We'll see. Again, sometimes, you know, you think you're going to use something a certain way in practice, or in an idea, but then in practice it's something different. And then the journal part, my thought is with this, I think a junk journal would be great, but I'm kind of thinking I'm going to use this as kind of a creative collage art situation. So maybe sometimes maybe it will be more of like a journal, and maybe I'll have more words. Maybe sometimes I'll add pictures, but really I don't want there to be any rules, and I just want to have fun and You know, maybe if I'm out and about and I see something that is moving to me, or maybe something that upsets me, I want to have a place to like jot it down, but in like a fun, creative way. So that's kind of, I'm kind of thinking this is going to be a little bit of an art journal. For right now, that's what I'm thinking, which is basically like a junk journal. But just like having fun with things. Maybe like if I get some new pens and I want to test them out, and just like a fun place that isn't super structured, but that I can be creative and express myself and my ideas and thoughts and all of that. So that's what I'm thinking. And then the big debate right now I'm having is, do I want to like zhuzh this up a little bit? So that, because I've seen some people who have like completely like covered this and like really made it their own and made it like fun and unique. So I'm kind of like, I'm torn, which is why I haven't done anything yet, because I'm torn, because I do love like the stripes and the polka dots. But then as I started seeing people having a little more fun with this, I was like, ooh, I have some ideas. And then I think in this front part, I love that this is perfect for sticker sheets, but I think I want to make, I'm going to cut, I think, some cardstock and do like some kind of collage here. Just so when you open it, that's the first thing you see, and then I can tuck stickers and stuff behind it. So I think that that'll be really fun to do. So that is kind of my plan, what I want to do with this. I may get, sometimes I've seen these adhesive pockets on sale, so I may or may not purchase one for in here. I don't know that I need it though, because I have so much of this, but I think it would be fun to have like some deco on this side. I just don't know, because this is like super like suede-y soft, even though it's vegan leather, it's like it's very soft. I don't know, and it's more like a fabric-y feel, so I don't know how well that would stick anyway. But you also, like, I have this folder, like I don't really need another pocket, but it was just a thought, like a little corner thing, and then I could put some cute stuff here too, but I don't know if I need that. So that is my thought process, how I kind of plan on using this. I am super excited for this. I've been working with Happy Planner for years, and I've been asking, one, for some cute little folios, but two, for things in A5 size. So when I saw this, I was real excited. Okay, I was really excited. So, and this feels nice. I mean, again, it is not leather, but I like the feel of it. It feels like it's soft, like it's pliable, but it doesn't feel like, it's not super thin. I don't know. You know how sometimes you get stuff and it's like, you're like, oh, is that gonna hold up? Like, this feels sturdy, even though it's flexible, if that makes sense. And then, like I said, this pen loop, I really like, because I feel like, hold on, let me grab a couple little pens here. Let's do a little test, because I cannot remember what planner it is now, or what folio situation, but the pen loop, I felt like it's so hard to get a pen in there. So like, see, this fits perfectly, and then I will obviously hold it because of that. This mild liner, which is a little bit thicker, fits very easily. So I feel like any pen is gonna fit pretty good. Probably, oh my gosh, even, stop it. Oh my gosh, even my uni, my little fatty. What is this thing called? I don't even remember. This is peach milk color. It's a 0.38. I forget what this pen is called though. Oh, it's right there. Uniball 1. And she is a little chunky little pen. That even fits there. I kind of actually like that. She might live in here, my little chunkster. So that is really exciting, because I feel like sometimes they make these pen loops too small, and I'm like, what pen is going to fit in there? And then it's like a waste of space. So that may be a really silly thing to be excited about, but when you want something to be functional like this, I want this to be like my on-the-go functional planner, journal, whatever. I want a dang pen. I don't want to have to put a pen somewhere else. So it's a silly thing, but also a super important thing. So I'm very excited about that. So yes, this is Look how cute. I just love the bone color with that neon. I just really am obsessed with that. So anyway, I'm going to quit yapping. This is, like I said, this is the Folio. It comes in 3 colors. It will release on July 15th. I don't know the time yet. There will be an affiliate link down below. If you have watched this video, you enjoy my content, you've been enjoying my junk journal series, I appreciate your support. If you choose to shop and using my link, it does help me out. It definitely helps with the student loans we're paying on myself and my daughter. She's going to graduate early. Lord help me, but also very thankful. So if you do choose to shop and use my link, please know it is very much appreciated. But I'm really excited about this. I think that they're so cute. You'll have to let me know if you've seen the other colors. Which color is your favorite? Do you like the more the bright neutral, the pink, or the espresso option? They're all really cute, but because I'm in my neon era, this was my favorite. And then I think the pink and then the brown, which I feel like if you would have asked me this a year ago, it probably would have been the brown, then the pink, and then this one, because I was like, oh, color, I want everything neutral. I mean, I still like my neutral, obviously, but this pop of neon, chef's kiss. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate your support. I hope you're having a great week planning your best life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.